Hello, aspiring developers. In this session, we embark on a journey into the realm of Lightning Web Components, LWC, equipping you with the knowledge to master the programming model. By the end of this unit, you'll be able to explain the Lightning Web Components programming model, list the benefits of using LWC, and know where to find resources for your development journey. Let's kick off with a pivotal concept: the fusion of Salesforce with standard technologies. We're bridging your Salesforce expertise with common standards like HTML, JavaScript, and CSS to empower you to build the next generation of Salesforce apps. Lightning Web Components embraces existing technologies, allowing you to leverage your skills without sacrificing what you've already achieved with Aura Components. Explore the rationale behind choosing Lightning Web Components. Modern browsers driven by web standards continually enhance user experiences. LWC utilizes core web component standards, ensuring lightweight, high-performance components. Discover the benefits from easy collaboration to faster development and enhanced versatility. Unveil the simplicity of creating Lightning Web Components. You don't need to grapple with framework intricacies. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. A JavaScript file, an HTML file, and optionally, a CSS file. The minimalistic approach provides a refreshing experience, and Salesforce handles the heavy lifting, compiling your files seamlessly. Worried about transitioning from Aura Components? Fear not. LWC and Aura Components coexist harmoniously. While you may migrate to LWC eventually, the integration allows for a smooth transition. Aura Components can even contain Lightning Web Components, fostering flexibility and compatibility. To make your Lightning Web Component development efficient, leverage these tools and environments. DevHub and ScratchOrgs, Salesforce Command Line Interface, Lightning Component Library, GitHub, Visual Studio Code Salesforce Extension Pack, Lightning Web Components Recipes, eBikes Demo, Lightning Data Service, Lightning Locker. As we conclude this unit, remember, Lightning Web Components open a world of possibilities by adhering to web standards. The simplicity of creation, compatibility with existing components, and an array of tools at your disposal make LWC a game changer. Join us in the upcoming units as we delve deeper into the magic of Lightning Web Components. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Salesforce customization tips. Check out the description below to connect with us. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing.